Okay, so guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can fix slow startup issues in Windows 11. So if your PC is starting slow, then what you can do? So what you can do, guys, is get an SSD. Yeah, guys, this is the basic step you need to do if you want your PC to start quickly, guys. So if you don't have any kind of SSD, then consider getting an SSD. It will work better than these hacks, guys. But still, if you have an SSD, or if you don't have SSD, but still you wanna do some tweaks, then you can do this. So just go to task manager, right click on this and then click on task manager. Then we have to stop the startup apps, guys, which cause issues. We'll go to this, and these are all the startup apps which starts when you start your PC. So we don't want any of these apps to be here, guys. What you can do is you can just disable these apps. Like I will disable LM Studio. I don't need this. Then I can just delete something more like Microsoft Edge. I don't need this. And phone link, and here I have Spotify, Steam update. Yeah, this is the Discord update. So yeah, this is VMware. Most of the things are disabled on my PC. I can just disable more if I want to, but you have to disable the applications which you don't use and you don't want them to start at your PC startup. So yeah, you just can disable the apps. But if you see any kind of app which you don't even use, you can just uninstall it, guys. It will also help you. So yeah, this is the basic step, but we have another steps too. Just click on Windows button, then R button to open run. Then type your msconfig. Then after you type msconfig, then go to services. Then you have to hide all the Microsoft services. Then you'll see all kind of other services which are running and which run at your startup. So see the services you don't want to use, or which doesn't look like a cool service to run, like Microsoft or something, or your application which the applications which depend upon some kind of service, guys. Don't stop those services. What you can do is you can just Google these services if you don't know what this service do, or if you just don't care, then you can just disable them all and click on apply. It will help your PC run faster, and it will also help your startup problems. But still, if because of any reason it doesn't work, consider getting an SSD, guys. The other thing you can do is just go to this PC and the Windows C, right click on it, click on properties, then go to tools, then defragment this drive, guys, because this is the drive we want to be defragmented so that it can run in its best possible way. And then close it. See, guys, when you are booting the system, everything it has to do with is your disk. So if your disk is good, your PC will boot up faster, and if your disk is not good, your PC will not boot up faster. And if your desktop has problems running when it just boots, or if it just hangs for some time, then it might be the case your disk is 100% usage. So click on task manager and see if your disk is 100% used. If your disk is using 100% of its power, guys, it just means that your disk is causing some kind of issues, and you can just get it replaced, or you can just do another thing, which is just keeping less folders or less shortcuts on the desktop. And if you want to be more good, then you can just click on properties of this PC. Then you can just go to advanced system settings. When you go to advanced system settings, then you can just click on performance settings, and you can just adjust your PC for best performance so that it can remove all kind of animations and shadows and stuffs, and it will help your PC to run more faster. So this is the basic guide to make your PC faster, guys. This is the basic steps, and if these steps doesn't work, don't focus on these videos, guys. Just buy an SSD or buy an NVMe drive, something like that, and install your Windows on that. It will help you far more than doing these tweaks. Yeah, these tweaks helps, guys, but it can't help you unless you have a good disk. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.